There's the wash plant. Got all this shit lying around is going to happen. So now I'm getting all the gear together to do it. This is the shed, this little caravan. It's just a little fiberglass, you know, I haven't popped the lid on it yet. There's the shaft. This is the up and over. That thing. That's got to go up and over onto there. And I've got these brackets made. Going to slot into there and slot on the top of the ladder right there. That's where that goes. So it's up there and over and into there and into the hopper and into the trommel that spins around. All the sand falls out here and you catch it with a wheelbarrow and you wheelbarrow it off. But it's going to be a pain in the ass because all the water comes out here and there's going to be pipes here. So somehow I've got to figure out how I'm going to get the bloody sand from there over there, which needs to go down there, or I have to go all the way around there with it. It's a pain in the ass. And then the wash plant comes down here and washes all the stones that come out of the trommel, all the, you know, and we collect the sapphires in there. And then the water's captured there and it gets recycled back. And then over there I'm going to have 4 half pods, and they're going to be my settling pods for the sand and dirt, because you have to manage it. Get a lot of sand in your wash. So there it is, and that's going to be the loo down there. I'm going to dig a well, I'm thinking about putting in a septic, but I don't think I will now. Having second thoughts. Might do the composty thing. It's not hard, eh? It's really easy to do. I know it looks all rusty, but everything moves. It all works, and I can replace all these bearings. I've got replacements for all of it. And that's the baffle. That thing there pumps in and out and in and out, and that causes the pulsating in the water here. So in here this all jumps up and down like that. And all the light stone just sort of comes across the top and falls out the bottom out here, while the heavy stuff kind of drops into the baffles, and not much of it gets past the third one. You very rarely find anything in here, but it's in here, here and here, and they get in there and stuck. So it's good. You only have those other baffles in case there's a bit of an overload at some stage and it can roll over the top before it drops, especially if it's a big one. There you go, we're going to get it going soon. Pretty good. Yep. So today I've got a lot of prep done. The steel ready for the incision I'm going to put up the top, and I'm going to stick the gate on. That's happening in the next day, probably tomorrow. And then got this bloke coming Monday or Tuesday to do my digging for the settling ponds, and so I'm going to finish off my other pod, cut it in half. Shit, I'll have to do that tomorrow. Fuck, it's a kind of a job. It's alright though, I don't mind. Yeah, okay man. It's all good. Check that out. Looks quite interesting, and there's the truck. Neighbour's place, my place. That's my trailer and the caravan. Yeah. It's all happening, bro. Right out here in the bush.